Mountains of municipal waste and the silent, massive cost of Scope 1 emissions are choking global infrastructure. Landfills are overflowing, and traditional incineration is a carbon-heavy compromise we can no longer afford. But the bottleneck is breaking. The game changer? Industrial-scale carbon capture, utilization and storage integrated directly into active waste-to-energy facilities. Veolia, partnering with Le Mans Métropole in France, has launched a pilot engineered to process 10 tons of CO2 daily, with a staggering 90% capture rate. By stripping the carbon on-site, this validates the commercial viability of retrofitting existing supply chains, transforming municipal incineration from a carbon emitter into a net-zero energy powerhouse. Industry titans are rapidly scaling these innovations. Veolia's GreenUp strategy is driving aggressive international growth, reporting a nearly 16% EBITDA margin as they acquire major hazardous waste platforms in Massachusetts and California.
GreenUp means accelerating ecological transformation. Accelerating the transformation to green our modes of production and consumption. It is pointless to proclaim that our world should already be green. What we need to do is to green, for real, all the activities that are essentials to us, without which we cannot eat, house ourselves or travel, without which we cannot live together and live well, without which we cannot project ourselves into a desirable future, which is the cement of any society.
In Europe, SUEZ is locking down the circular economy, winning a €420 million contract to upgrade France's Sidertum 66 plant, producing over 130,000 megawatt hours by 2028. SUEZ is also deploying its Digelis food waste tech to solve municipal biowaste sorting. Concurrently, Waste Connections has partnered with Enbridge Gas to fully commission a major renewable natural gas facility at the Ridge Landfill in Ontario, capturing and upgrading raw methane directly into pipeline quality gas.
Waste Connections, with a fleet of approximately 11,000 vehicles, including about 1,100 alternative fuel trucks, provides solid waste collection, transfer, and disposal services to over 8 million customers across 43 states in the US and 6 provinces in Canada. To us, reduce, reuse, and recycle is more than just a slogan.
To understand the sheer gravity of this pivot, look at the data from Next Move Strategy Consulting. They project a compounding annual surge of 7.24%, positioning the global waste-to-energy sector to eclipse an astounding $102.46 billion valuation by the year 2035. Asia-Pacific is dominating this landscape, commanding nearly half of the global market share. Why? Exploding urban populations and severe land scarcity in megacities are forcing a rapid, massive pivot away from traditional landfills towards state-backed thermal processing. The shift from waste liability to decarbonized energy asset is fully underway. Are your supply chains positioned to capitalize? Read the full report at Next Move Strategy Consulting. Link in the description. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more market intelligence.